Hey folks, Chris Urso here with URS Capital Partners and National REIS. Here to give you guys a few tips on investing in multifamily real estate. One of them being, when you're identifying a property to invest in, conduct a rental market survey. Okay, this is going to basically tell you how your local submarket is performing. Drive or get online, start calling all similar properties within a 5-mile radius. Get a feel for what their asking rents are, what their vacancy rates are. If rents are in line or getting better than your current market and vacancies are declining, that means it's probably a good time to be buying into that target property. Inversely, if rents are declining and vacancy is rising, probably not the best time to be buying that property. But you'd be surprised what you learn when you call up similar properties around yours and just get on the phone with the property management company and leasing agent as a prospective tenant. Sometimes they're your best source of information, and they're going to dictate what that local market is doing, what you can charge for rent in your complex, what improvements you need to do to your complex to get the rent that they're achieving. And if their occupancy is low, you have to be cautious. Are they going to undercut you to attract tenants over because they're desperate to fill up units? So that's probably the best thing you can do when you're first getting into identifying a property and establishing what you can do with the rents. Right now, on a national level, this is probably the best time to be buying multifamily real estate. The two main indicators are going in the right direction. Vacancies are declining, rental rates are increasing. So that's why we've been so focused, us and our partners, on expanding our holdings in the next 12 to 24 months. We believe the opportunity is going to be here. Right now is the time to buy and ride up the upswing over the next 5 to 7 years. Another thing you have to pay attention to that's extremely important when you're identifying a property to invest in. You're going to most likely need some level of financing or funding, whether it's with conventional banks or using private money. Our specialty is on the private money side. We've raised a little over $5 million in the last 3 years for our various projects. So regardless of whether you're using a bank or private investors, putting together a sound investment package is vital to your success. So that means you need to put together a professional executive summary. You have to understand your numbers, present them clearly, show your investors or the bank that you have a very good understanding of the way the property operates. And you've done your market research, you've done your property research, you've done your inspections. Presentation is vital. It shows your investors and the bank that you took the time to put together this package, so you must have taken the time to analyze the property the way that it should be in today's world. And the last thing here is the type of strategy that we currently are pursuing, which is value-add properties. These are opportunities where we look for a property that has maybe 20-30% vacancy, maybe it needs some improvements, some down units. It's bank owned or owned by the same landlord for 30, 40, 50 years. And we can come in because it's in a good location, in a good market, do some work, bring in a new management team, bring the occupancy level up, and essentially create our own value. Okay, that's our primary strategy. We love value add opportunities. I can't stress it enough. Because this is where you can go in and buy something at a discount. It's in a good location. You control your own destiny. By the time you're done within 6 to 12 or 24 months, we look to create 20 to 30% equity and very solid cash-on-cash returns from those types of deals. So, folks, I hope you appreciated the little tips today. If you're interested in learning more about multifamily real estate and when you're ready to either get active or become a passive investor in our projects, I suggest you attend our next live seminar, which is Saturday, September 17th at our office in Westbury. Go to our site, www.nationalreis.com. Sign up there. We'll get you the details right away. And if you can't make our in-house event, we're going to be having webinars as well leading up to that. So make sure you sign up, guys. www.nationalreis.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.